Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning student. Today we are going to begin our the leftover chapter, that is atoms and molecules, to be continued. So today we are going to study writing chemical formula, how to write the chemical formula of a compound. So let's study. A chemical formula of a compound is a symbolic representation if symbolic representation of its composition. Means if I have to write hydrogen, how will we write? We will not write full form like hydrogen. We only write the symbol H. That is called the symbolic representation. If I have to write carbon, we have to represent only C, not Ca, because C is a symbol of calcium. Now the chemical formula of different compound can be written easily. Here is a symbol like statement said that you can easily write the chemical formula. And now the next is valency. How can we define valency? The combining power or capacity of an element is known as valency. जब किसी दो एलिमेंट्स की पावर कंबाइन हो जाती हैं, सपोज हाइड्रोजन की 1 और कार्बन की 4, और वो दोनों कंबाइन हो गई तो HCl बन गया, दैट इज नोन एज वैलेंसी. नाउ वैलेंसी कैन बी यूज टू फाइंड आउट हाउ द एटम्स ऑफ एन एलिमेंट टू फॉर्म अ केमिकल कंपाउंड. वैलेंसी क्या होता है? किसी भी एटम्स को फाइंड करने के लिए हमें दूसरे एलिमेंट्स का भी केमिकल कंपाउंड पता होना चाहिए, दैट इज नोन एज वैलेंसी. नाउ you have to know, while writing or while finding the formula of chemical, some rules have to be followed. Now the first rule, the valency or charge of an ion must be valence. सपोज जो वैलेंसी है और दोनों के चार्ज हैं वो पहली बात तो बराबर होनी चाहिए. अगर हाइड्रोजन का 1 है देन द सेकेंड वन मस्ट बी 1 और +1. Now the second, when a compound consists of metal and non-metal, the name or symbol of a metal can be written first. अगर किसी भी कंपाउंड में मेटल और नॉन मेटल है तो सबसे पहले हम प्रायोरिटी मेटल को देंगे, ना कि नॉन मेटल को. पहला कंपाउंड हम मेटल लिखेंगे, देन उसके बाद नॉन मेटल. फॉर एग्जांपल कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड, सोडियम क्लोराइड, आयरन सल्फेट, दीज आर द सम एग्जांपल्स. Now, where oxygen chloride or sulfur are non-metal, according to our example, oxygen or chloride or sulfur, these are the non-metal. So we will write in second step, but on right side, whereas calcium, sodium, or iron and copper are the metal, are written in the left side. Left side can be written as, and right side. Right side only non-metals and left side is metals. If the compound formed a polyatomic atoms, if a compound जो है polyatomic atom form करेगा, like phosphorus, we have studied in previous presentation the monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and polyatomic ions. So if I take phosphorus is a polyatomic ion. The number of ion present in compound is indicated by enclosing the formula of ion in bracket and writing the number of ion outside the bracket. According to this statement, अगर आपको फार्मूला लिखना है तो सबसे पहले फार्मूला में उसको ब्रैकेट में क्लोज करके, और जो उसके आयन्स है वो ब्रैकेट में रहेंगे और जो उसके नंबर्स हैं वो ब्रैकेट के बाहर रहेंगे. दिस इज द सम बेसिक रूल विच यू हैव टू फॉलो व्हाइल राइटिंग द केमिकल फार्मूला ऑफ ए कंपाउंड्स. नाउ लेट्स डू सम. Here are the some common simple and polyatomic ions. Some simple and polyatomic ions, like name of ion symbols. Name of ion and symbols, like if I say sodium, sodium can be represented Na plus. Na plus means it has only a one charge, that is known as Na. And potassium can be represented at K plus. Silver is represented as Ag, not Au. Au is a symbol of gold. Okay, here you can see copper 1 and copper 2. Copper 1 means which have single charge, and copper 2 means which have Cu2 plus, that is known as copper 2. Now aluminium Al3 plus. Iron, here you can see iron 2 3. Iron 2 and 3 means iron Fe2 plus or Fe3 plus. In short, you can learn like this. Then Non-metallic elements. Here are the some non-metallic elements like hydrogen, hydride, chloride, bromide, iodine, oxide, sulfate, and nitrate. Nitrate, like hydrogen, if I have to write H plus, hydride can be represented as H minus. Now chloride, Cl minus. Iodine can be represented as I minus. Oxide can be represented as O2 minus. Sulfide is represented as S2 minus, and the last one is nitrite, that can be represented as N3 minus. These are the some elements which are basically as non-metal. So by writing the formula we have to write first metal then non-metal. Now polyatomic ions. Here what is polyatomic ion? Which have more than 4 valencies, like ammonia NH4, and the charge is +1. Now hydroxide OH minus, then nitrate NO3, and the charge is minus. Minus means 1 minus. Then carbonate HCO3, charge is -1, valency is 3, and charge is -1. The 3 can be valency is always written to the downward and charge is represented to upward. Now carbonate. Carbonate can be represented as CO3 and charge is 2 minus. 2 minus means it has 2 negative, means 2 charge. Now sulfate. Sulfate is SO3 2 minus. SO3 2 minus. Sulfate. Sulfate and sulfate. These are the two different. Like the sulfate has SO4 minus and sulfate has SO3 2 minus. And phosphorus. Phosphorus can be represented as PO4 3 minus. PO3 where 3 is a charge and 4 is a valency. This table you have to learn while making the chemical formula, or you can say chemical compound. Now formula of simple compound. Let's do some question according to the table. Like the simple compound which are made up of 2 or different element, it's called binary compound. Like कोई भी compound जिसमें 2 या 2 से different element present होते हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं binary compound. For example, formula of carbon tetrachloride. Sorry, this has been misprinted by. If I say formula of carbon tetrachloride, tetra means charge, means 4. The first one is C. We have C is a metal, or C means carbon and Cl means chlorine. Now C, carbon is a metal and chlorine is a non-metal. So we have given the metal priority first and non-metal priority second. So chlorine has 4 valency. We have written downward to 4, and chlorine has 1 valency. So according to this we can make cross multiplication. By doing cross multiplication you can see, like here is a carbon like this. 4 is going to with Cl and C1 is going to L. So you will get the formula of CCl2, that is known as carbon tetrachloride. Then the next one is formula of magnesium chloride. The formula of magnesium chloride. There is a magnesium chloride. Here you can see the formula of this is a magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride are the 2 chloride ions like Cl minus, or each magnesium has Mg2 plus. Here is a magnesium, and down to the magnesium there is a charge 2 plus and Cl -1. So when we do the cross multiplication, while doing the cross multiplication you get the formula like known as MgCl2. So this formula is known as a magnesium chloride. Then the second formula of ammonia. Ammonia is basically known as NH3. By you know that N has +3 charge and H has +1 charge. So according to here the valency of nitrogen is +3 and valency of hydrogen is +1. So while doing the cross multiplication we get the formula of ammonia. So here is the formula of ammonia, that is known as NH3. N multiplied by 1 we get N1, and H multiplied by 3 we get H3. That is the formula of ammonia. Now formula of hydrogen chloride. Formula of hydrogen chloride means HCl. Here you know that hydrogen has 1 valency and same as chloride has also 1 valency. While doing H multiplied by 1 we get 1. and C multiplied by 1 we get Cl1. So the formula is known as hydrogen chloride, which is known as HCl. Now you have to do some practice question. Practice question means sodium oxide. You have to write the chemical compound of this. Using the table you can easily identify, like sodium and oxide, sodium Na and oxide O2 minus, while O2 minus 2 will be downward to oxide and sodium Na plus 1, and doing cross multiplication you will get the formula of sodium oxide, same as aluminum chloride, sodium sulfate, magnesium hydroxide, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate, and aluminum oxide. These are the some question. You have to practice all this question by with the help of table that is given in your book. Or thank you.